The Weird World of Gardening and Plants.
Are you ready to learn about the weird world of gardening and plants? Let's take a look. Gardening is a popular hobby for both young and old people. In countries like England, many people have beautiful gardens. Vegetable growing competitions are popular in England. Take a look at this giant onion. Or this 310-kilogram pumpkin. All plants are amazing, big or small. Here's a fun fact. Strawberries are the only fruit with seeds on the outside. Carrots are orange, right? Not necessarily. You can also grow yellow, white, or purple carrots. Bamboo grows very quickly. Some varieties can grow nearly 1 meter a day. Sunflowers look like one large flower, but really they have hundreds of mini flowers called florets. The Titan arum is a huge tropical plant from Indonesia. Its flower is about 3 meters tall, and it smells disgusting. But some insects love the smell. This tree is a bristlecone pine from California, and it's very old. They can live for thousands of years. There is one that is 5,000 years old as the pyramids. Gardening and plants can be weird, but also wonderful. Go and find out more, or plant your own garden.